switch for that particular light. Somewhere you can very different. Yes.
How to find IP addresses for class A, class B, and class C. When you use class A, class B, class C to define network, means you define a huge network. And that is not defining defining a huge network is not a good thing. Keep in mind, guys. It's not a good thing. What you have to do is
You should not miss him. Yeah. Now I can zoom from here. Okay.
because it's not easy to manage. The solution is you should subnet your network. Break up the large network in small parts. That is subnetting. What is subnetting, guys? Operation of taking bits from the first part of the address and reserve them for the subnet.
This guy is crazy.
In other words, it's breaking up a huge network into small different networks. See, guys, in the first picture, we have one large network. This network has one broadcast domain, just one. And the second one has been subnetted. See, guys, here we have one network, one subnetwork, one subnetwork, and this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 subnets. Each subnet is a broadcast domain. Why do we use subnetting? To reduce broadcasting. Keep in mind. It's very important. This advantages of subnetting. Proper use of bandwidth, reduce broadcasting, security, simplified administration. How to create subnets? Remember, guys, we have our default subnet mask. Here's our default subnet mask. And when you want to create subnets, you should answer 5 questions. First one, how many subnets you want? Second, how many valid hosts per subnet? Third, what are the valid subnets? Fourth, what is the broadcast address of each subnet? What are the valid hosts in each subnet? Here, I will start by subnetting class C addresses. In class C addresses, we have okay? Yes. Thank you. Suppose we have this IP address. This part, okay? subnet bits start at the left and move to the right without skipping bits. If you skip bits, it's not good, man. So, class C subnet mask. Here we have class C subnet mask. You should remember, you know, the last end of 8 bit. Remember this, guys.
It's very important.
CIDR value. Okay. Why we don't have 31 and 32? At least 2 IP addresses should be for host. At least. Even though sometimes they use 31, but 32 is not used. We should keep it for host. At least 2 IP for host. If you take this example, this IP, we should remember our 5 questions. Number of subnets. N is number of subnets. Bits. The formula is 2 power n. N is starting from left to the right. Okay? If you want 8 subnets, you should on from left to the right. You should on like this 1 1. Means 1 2 3. N equal to 3. So if you have 2 power 3, 8 subnets. Number of hosts. The formula is 2 power n minus 2. Minus 2 because you will not use the subnet address and the broadcast address. The first one is the network address, and the last one is the subnet address. Valid host. The formula is 256 minus subnet mask. This is the block size. If you have 255, 255, 255, 128, the block size is 256 minus
Smile.
128. Gives you the block size is 128. The block size will tell you what are your subnets. Like here we have 224, but here we have 128. We have 0 subnet, 32 subnet, 64 subnet, like this. So this is starting 1 subnet, 1 subnet, 1 subnet. But here we will have 2 subnets, 0 and 128. Just 2. Okay? Fourth question. The broadcast address is always the number right before your next subnet. Like here, the broadcast of this subnet is
Come and help. You can help me.
255.
It's a recording, you can pause.
Okay. Sorry. The broadcast is 9, 8, 10, 31. Yeah, 31. This is the broadcast address of this subnet. You see, this is the number right before the next subnet. What is the next subnet? 32. So the broadcast address is just right before the next subnet is 31. Okay? And Spanish codes are numbers between the subnet. Here we have, again, will be confused. What is, I'm explaining this. That's all. Just listen, man. we have 192, sorry. We have 192, 168, 10, 0. For the first one, forget about this. This is just an example. We are here. This is our subnet, okay? And this is our broadcast address. The valid hosts are the numbers between the subnets. Valid hosts are here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. For the second one, same. You do the same. The subnet address is 32. The broadcast is .63. So in between are IP addresses for hosts. What is subnetting? Subnetting is an internet protocol network that is formed for routing purposes from the combination of two or more subnets into a large network. Let's take an example. If you have many networks like this, we want to do subnetting. We have one network, one subnetwork. The table is easy, man. We have this. That's 3. Will be enough. 3 will be enough. 1. 1. And 1, 0. 1, 1. 1, 0. 1, 0. 1. Finding this is easy, man. Each time you see 0 here, forget the 1. Just put 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, you put 0. If you have the same here, 1, 1, 1, 1 is 1. Don't go and find calculation somewhere. No. Just remember 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Each time you have 0 here, you put 0, man. Okay? You have 1, you put 1. That's why here we have the final address 268 116.0. Why 16? Because we have the last 8 bits here is a value of 16. This is our large network. That is supernating.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Yeah. Slash 21.
Usman, a lot of questions for you. Many questions.
The slash come from, you know, we have 128, 1, 6, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 7, 1. Okay? This is our network. Slash 21. Why slash 20? The real CIDR, you know, CIDR class slash interdomain routing. The CIDR value of this 22, 1, 17, 0, 8. Yeah. Sorry, yes. Okay. Okay. Slash 21 Y. Subnet mask is, as you see, last there. Subnet mask is 255, 255, 2480. The 248, see, here, we know here 11111. And then here, what is the value? What is the value here? When we come back here, 85. We have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. It's okay? It's okay. Now, here, the default subnet mask is 55.00/60, right? Okay. From 16, you count here for this part. 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21. That's why 21 for CIDR value. Okay?
Let me explain it, guys. Actually, how you got the 20/21 is you have 4 different IP address, right? 20 is the double. So to get the subnetting network, you will check how many bits are common from the right to the left there. So here up to in the last octave there are up to 5 bits. There are common bits. So we'll take this last 21. Yes, this way we have the person.
CIDR, as I told you, CIDR value is just like 21, the value. here is the method that ISP used to allocate an amount of packets of a company or a house. When you want internet at home, they use this. It was introduced by Internet Task Force with previous administration. That's full that was designed. As I told you, how many bits are turned on? You see, this example, 82, 168, 10, 32. How many bits are turned on? Just count. 8, 8, 8, 24, right? 25, 6, 7, 8. Stop there. Slash 28. This is the idea of America. Okay, here's a CITR value for class A IP address. So keep that in mind. You want you can calculate, but if you get in mind, it's better. Thank you, guys. Emmanuel, you have questions?
Yeah, go to the supernating slide.
And when you're asking questions, then you have to questions.
Yeah, from the first paragraph is you say supernating is a total. You say supernating is a you say that it's a total, but I don't think supernating is a total. And you say supernating is the internet protocol. Yeah, I know each protocol has a protocol number. What's the protocol number for that? What I'm saying is, we know supernating is a protocol. And I don't think supernating is a protocol. Protocol. It's a protocol. Oh, supernating is a protocol.
It's a protocol feature. If you want me to define supernating, it's a bunch of many addresses, many networks that you will make just one. It's not a protocol. It's not it's just one feature.
I have a question. You said that LSN is not a protocol because it doesn't have a protocol number. So what you will say about IP? IP is also a protocol. But what is a IP protocol number?
IP is a protocol itself. It's not a protocol like IP. It's just the way to branch many some networks in one branch.
Our memory.
It's not compulsory. It's not compulsory, right? You should ask. This is general. But most of the time, you will ask yourself two questions. How many subnets? How many hosts? It's enough. It's enough. Okay? Yeah, go ahead.
The question is, you said what are the valid subnets? Number 3. When we do subnetting, do we have valid subnets? Non-valid subnets? What can we do with valid subnets?
Depending on what you say.
Okay. In Japan, this is confusing. Valid subnet, Valid subnet, I mean, it's just the way to find the block size. It's the way to easily find your subnet, your different subnets. If you have the block size, it's easy for you to find your different subnets.
But this is called valid subnets and non-valid subnets.
Okay, call it block size.
Block
If you
size
want
is
to,
different.
no, block size is valid subnet. It's valid. Okay? Or you don't want the word valid subnet. Okay?
Just say how many subnets.
How many
you have.
subnets?
How many subnets?
That's
you
why I
have.
said.
That's why.
That's why I said most of the time you will use two questions. How many subnets and how many hosts? This is general, man. This is for general.
Okay, for me, and please, Mr. Tad, correct me if I'm wrong. And this is for the general to know.
Yeah.
What Cisco said about valid subnets and non-valid subnets, I think for the previous iOS, they don't use the subnet 0 and the broadcast subnets. Even when you do subnetting, you don't use the first one and the last one. Not the IP address is inside the subnet. But subnet, they call it subnet 0. Subnet 0, when doing subnets, that the first one is not used. The whole subnet. And the last subnet also they consider it, they call it broadcast subnet for the whole subnets, they don't use. But I think nowadays for the later iOS, they use it. And how to know when to use the subnet 0 and the broadcast subnet, and when do you don't need to use them? Just look for from the running config. If you find the IP subnet command is there, meaning it's allowed to use the 0 subnet and the broadcast subnet. If the command is showing is no IP subnet 0.
Thank you, Jafar. Point. Thank you, Jafar. The next exam will be by
Thank you, Captain. And you are about to sit for the exam, right? You have to consider it. Because you will give wrong answer.
Okay, next. VLSM. Buenos días, chicos. Buenos días, chicos. My name is good morning, guys. Don't mix Spanish in English. It's usually for me keeping in the front of the class, but not in English. But for that reason, it's my first time in front of the class in English talking.
Welcome.
I'm talking about the VLSM. VLSM is a method to designating a different subnet mask for the same network number of different subnets. Can use a long mask of network with few hosts and a shorter mask of subnet with many hosts. With VLSMs, we can have different subnet masks of the different subnets. VLSM, I explain VLSM with example. No, VLSM comes up with the link to ultimate IP address. When no use VLSM is lost many hosts. When you not use VLSM and say your subnet. But in this example, I have a block of IP 135.4.0 /16. To explain that have need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6